Ever wondered about the variety of fillings in our food? It's a culinary adventure, journeying into the world of fillings. These hidden treasures, tucked inside our favorite dishes, are more than just an afterthought. They're the heart and soul of our food, enhancing flavors and textures. From the world's kitchens, two major types of fillings emerge, the sweet and the savory. Each has its own unique charm, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary delights. Now let's delve deeper into these two types of fillings. First up, sweet fillings. They can make a world of difference in desserts, can't they? From the rich decadence of chocolate ganache to the lusciousness of cream, the tang of fruit fillings, or the comforting creaminess of custard, these sweet fillings can truly elevate your dessert game. They transform a simple pastry into an irresistible indulgence, a plain cake into a feast for the senses. They're the magic that turns good into unforgettable. Sweet fillings certainly add a delightful twist to our desserts, don't they? Moving on to savory fillings, the heart of many of our favorite dishes. These fillings can be a delightful medley of cheese, meat, vegetables, and herbs, each offering a unique taste and texture. Imagine biting into a pastry and being greeted by the rich, creamy goodness of cheese or the hearty comfort of well-seasoned meat. What about the vibrant freshness of vegetables or the aromatic allure of herbs in dumplings? Savory fillings indeed add a burst of flavors to our meals. So whether it's a sweet treat or a savory delight, fillings play a crucial role, don't they? They take our meals from ordinary to extraordinary, adding layers of flavor and texture. From the sweetest jams to the most robust savory stuffings, fillings offer a world of variety and versatility. They're the secret ingredient that makes every bite a surprise. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of fillings, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content.